stock number 41422G. This is a 2019 Ford F-250. 6.7 liter. It's got the power stroke in it. The front bumper is no good. The grille is no good. The headlights are no good. The hood is also bent. It's also bent right there. The hood's stuck. I cannot get the hood up. See, the passenger fender is no good. Passenger door is no good. Side view mirror. The back door looks good. Got some surface scratches on the truck bed right there. Got a dent down there. Tail light is no good. Rear bumper's no good. Truck beds, or the deck lid's no good. This tail light's no good. Got paint problems right there. Got a dent right there. Dent right there. The back door looks good. Driver door looks good. Got a paint problem right there. Paint problems right there from opening the door. Same thing with the fender right there is bent. Right there is bent as well. Alright, let's see. The steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver and the passenger roof airbags deployed. The passenger dash airbags deployed. You can see the key. Does not start. Okay. It does not have a sunroof. This is stock number 41422G. It's a 2019 Ford F-250. 6.7 liter power stroke. It does have a key. It does not start.